patience. That's a tricky one. Right, it's the inner knowing and the I think the inner guidance system that's so helpful when we feel disconnected. When I'm feeling lonely and I'm feeling so small, when I get to thinking I have no purpose at all, it's then I go and sit at the fountain with you, and I ask, guide me with your hand, guide me, take me by the hand, lead me. And even though I'm learning, seems I always forget. And even though I'm listening, I can't help but fret about the where and the when and the how it's gonna be with me. It's so hard to wait and see. Guide me with your hand, guide me, take me by the hand, lead me. Let me feel I can trust you, and let me know how to breathe in this moment. I am grateful